Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. This is the Tuomico SUP electric air pump. It'll do 20 PSI. I'm gonna get to my favorite thing so far about this in a minute. But first, let's just open this up and see what we have inside. Okay, so we have the hose with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different, seven different hose accessories to pump different types of inflatables up, which is super nice. And then here we have the actual unit itself. It comes packaged very nicely with these styrofoam or foam covers, and then the unit itself. Now, my favorite thing about this thing so far is just look how small and compact that is, guys. For something that can do 20 PSI and do it automatically set to the thing you want it to be set to, that's incredible. My other thing I love about this unit is that it has an 11 or an 11.5 foot cord. That gives you plenty of room to get from your car to whatever you're pumping up. That is incredible. The other thing that I noticed that it has in the box is the directions, but it also has, I'm not sure if these are spare or if you have to put them on, but it looks like there's a few spare O-rings for the unit as well. Anyways, guys, I highly recommend this thing for anything you need to inflate. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.